Mr. Matson for the plaintiff.
Jeffrey Steenberg or Brant Steenberg? I do not have a response. You had. Okay, who are you?
Jesse.
Come on up. You're Jesse. Come on. I'm sorry if I was mispronouncing.
Right.
All right, state your name for the record.
Jesse Steenberg.
All right.
In a world where justice meets humanity, this courtroom saw something truly heart-touching.
The rent to retain is $445.38, cost of $230, for a total of $1,675.38. And again, this is the second hearing. We would be asking for a judgment today.
All right. And we kind of got here the same way.
A tenant stood trembling before the judge, burdened with guilt, but full of honesty.
32 this morning, yes, sir.
Pardon?
The 32.
You paid 32?
Yes.
Okay, and so then what was ever... Well, hold on. When did you pay 32?
At 1 o'clock this afternoon, Your Honor.
Today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you've already taken that off?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
$1, $6.75 may not sound like much, but for her, it was everything she had left.
Have the $16.75, which is really going to constitute, it looks like mainly October.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is what it is. Okay. Young lady, how are you going to get that paid?
Yes. I also get paid in 2 weeks. And I've been in conversing with the leasing office. I've set up a plan where I'll also be paying.
She wasn't just fighting for rent. She was fighting for her daughter's home.
Once again.
Bless your heart. You talk to them about that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you want to make sure you pay in advance? You don't want to see me?
I would.
No.
You're very
No, you really don't have to answer that. I'm feeling lonely, so I'm just asking people. All right. Okay. So you can get this paid by the 24th?
Yes, sir.
As tears filled her eyes, the judge saw more than a case. He saw a mother trying to make things right.
Writ date out. I'm going to grant them a judgment. You okay?
Sorry.
What's wrong?
This is terrifying.
It is?
And also, I just feel very bad that I've done this to the community, and I'm just trying to right the wrong and also have a home for my daughter. So sorry.
In that silent courtroom, compassion spoke louder than the law.
The thing that happened is you fell behind on a bill, right? That's really what happened, right? Okay, so listen. Is this the only bill in your life you've fallen behind on? No? Okay, everybody has fallen behind at some point. You're good because here's the thing. And you shouldn't feel bad about it, because once the problem came up, you found a way to correct it and to get yourself back on track.
I know. I made a promise signing that lease, and I just publicly am so sorry that we haven't been perfect tenants. That's all.
There is no need for you to apologize. You came here, when you were at the last hearing, and let me tell you, you're thinking of all the bad.
The judge reminded her, everyone falls behind sometimes. What matters is how we rise again.
$3,000 on a certain day, and you did it. You paid it.
Yes, sir.
And so that's a good thing. So the thing is that you're not giving yourself credit for the good things you're doing, but you want to take responsibility for all the bad things you think you did. Okay? I don't want you feeling bad about any of this at all. All right? I think you're a good person, that you just want to do the right thing. And so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to grant a judgment to them, but finding no tribal issue after a hearing on this case, for their $16.75, 38 or 58. What did I write? All right. So I'm going to grant them that judgment.
Instead of punishment, she was met with understanding, a rare moment of grace.
Okay, so I'm going to give you to the 24.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to extend it out. You get it paid. You are all done. All right. Then you don't have to come back and see that scary judge again. All right.
Yes, sir.
That work for you?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And you have a very blessed afternoon.
It wasn't just a legal decision. It was a reminder that humanity still exists.
Sometimes in life, one of the things that has to happen is we try to do the right thing by everybody else, and we don't do the right thing by ourselves. So sometimes what you have to do is you just have to show yourself a little grace.
Yes, sir.
For being a human. And I have a feeling you don't do that, particularly with this. So give yourself a little grace.
Thank you, sir.
You take care.
By the end, justice was served with mercy, compassion, and heart